Now your certified storm-ready forecast from NBC 25.
I've got the data in, and we are still looking at one of the snowiest winters on record. We are just 5 days away from actually breaking the all-time record in the Flint area for consecutive days with snow cover of at least an inch on the ground. We're almost there, and we're not going above freezing until after that 5-day mark. So here's what we've got actually in store for those next couple of days. You can see there, 83 days today. That's the second longest streak with days in a row with snow cover on the ground. So it was 83 days ago that we actually saw widespread grass. It's been a little bit of a long time. 88 days is the longest streak from 1963, and we are almost there. 6 degrees for your low overnight tonight. North winds 6 to 12 miles an hour. A little over an inch of snow is what we're looking at from the system that's moving on top of us right now. It's slowly moving down to the southeast, so it's going to come down through the southern counties all the way down towards Detroit. Now the Detroit and Ann Arbor area, they're getting the heaviest stuff. So we're going to look at about an inch, maybe a spotty 1.5 or 2 inch area, kind of like this morning in a few places. Enough to make the roads slick though. 14 degrees for your high tomorrow, which means the roads might be a little slick in the morning because it's going to stay cool. AM light snow, and then we're clearing on up throughout the rest of the day. We're looking at partly cloudy skies later on in the afternoon and the evening, which leads us to a mostly clear night tomorrow night, and that's when we plummet all over again. 6 degrees for your low overnight tonight in the Tri-Cities area. Again, 6 to 12. North winds, about an inch of snow for you as well. Same thing, but we've actually got kind of a stronger snow squall that's actually just to the west of Midland over Isabella and Clare counties right now. That's going to start sliding to the east-southeast a little bit. So watch out for a heavier round of snow within the next hour or so. 14 degrees for your high tomorrow as well. Very low wind chill as we go from overnight into tomorrow morning. So we are going to be a little more towards -9, -10 for your wind chill. So please bundle up. Just make sure you stay safe because we're still not done with this really cold weather yet. Clearly, -2 degrees for your low overnight in the northern counties. About an inch of snow for you as well. Widespread, we're in that 1 to maybe 2 inch range for tonight. Snow showers continue on into the morning hours, then they pretty much stop. You guys get to the sun faster than everybody else. 11 degrees for your high, decreasing clouds throughout the morning, and then out comes the sunshine by the late afternoon. How much snow are we really expecting from this? Well, what we're looking at is as we constantly go, the heaviest stuff stays on down to the south, so we're really only looking at about an inch in the Flint area, maybe up to about 1.5 inches or so. So that's what we're watching total with this system. Now, what do we go through for the next couple of days? We'll keep an eye on the clock. 8 o'clock tonight, we're starting it into motion. The snow moves on out of the area, still over us by midnight, but it's starting to clear up a little bit. Moves on out of the way. Could get brushed a little bit more as we head into Sunday morning, and then by Sunday afternoon, we start to clear on up, and in comes the clear skies for Sunday night and the sun for Monday. And here's what we're talking about. Plenty of sunshine on Monday, but that allows us to drop back down to -5 on Monday morning, -4 on Monday night. We do warm up, and yes, Stephanie, that does say 36 on Friday. We go above freezing. I'm excited.